Welcome back. If you want to know how you can restore your disabled Gmail account, watch this video without skipping. Subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Disclaimer. This channel doesn't promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. I just log into my Gmail account, but Google says your account has been disabled. Google think this account was used in a way that violated Google's policies. Click for request review. Enter my email address I can still access and click next. Tell us why we should restore your account. Type the message from the video description. Copy description message and paste it. Edit your Gmail to type disabled email address. Edit again your Gmail to type disabled email address and submit it. Request received. Google says they review your account and updates send your active mail. It can take 2 business days. 1 day later. Google said your account is eligible for reinstatement. This is the first mail when I submit to restore my account. Note: if Google says your account is permanently disabled, you have to fill up a form from link in description. Now I log in to my reinstatement account. Google detected unusual activity on my account, so need number verification. You can use any real number for verification. Yahoo! My disable mail reactive. Thanks for watching my video. If my video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries about a disabled Google account, you can inbox me directly.